Navdi, I get that. You obviously, like I said, even in the intro, or right now, you're talking about the kind of agreements that you have to deal with, and obviously there is a lot on the plate that is
Yeah.
there. But in the sense of it, in the fun spirit of it, and now thinking from an aspirant and someone who wants to do this, what would
Yes,
your advice be initially? When they're trying to walk in. I understand that you broke the myth, but then there are a lot of positives to being in the media and entertainment
definitely.
industry, right? Your career is a remarkable example of that.
Thank you.
So why not shed some light on that? And
So, if you want to start your career as a media and entertainment lawyer, first of all, let's start towards intellectual property,
right,
right? It is very difficult to right away get into a media house, like a production house or a talent management company. Directly, they will not take you if you do not have prior experience. To be very
right,
honest, this is what happens in the industry.
right,
But what I suggest everybody who comes, if you have been following me on LinkedIn, I keep guiding people how to enter
right,
the field, what
right.
to do, what to learn, and everything. So, what the guiding line is, start with intellectual property rights.
Okay,
Any IPR firm will do which has substantial work for copyrights.
right, okay,
Maybe they are working with musicians, maybe they are working with independent writers, so that you get certain exposure in it, right?
right, right,
Once you know and you are in the field, then start changing, start reaching out to law firms by telling them, I have this and that experience in media and I would like to explore more, and that's the way the path will open for you overall.
okay,
So
okay,
reaching out directly is very difficult. Definitely, if you can send resumes, but thousands of resume come every day.
right,
Not everybody can see it. I get 50 resumes on a per day basis,
right,
and
okay,
I can hire only 4 to 5 interns in a month. To
right,
be very honest, I try to help them as much as possible, and I understand they're not getting chances because media and entertainment law as a community is very small.
right,
I don't think we are more than 7-8 thousand lawyers in total.
right,
Yeah. So if you want to really appreciate the creativity of people, first of all, you really need to ask that question. Do you want to enter the field just for the glamour and glitz? Or do you really want to support the creative ideas in the field?
right, right,
Right? Intellectual property per se gives you an idea with the copyright thing, that there's a writer who has written something which I need to protect. There's an artist who has done his performance which I need to protect. In
absolutely,
that sense, intellectual property may entry karo and then get to step up with media houses. Try write everything possible about the current situations going on in the media industry on your LinkedIn to get
right,
noticed.
right,
That's,
okay,
if
okay,
I notice somebody writing about media and entertainment, about a topic which is on fire, and I found his opinion or her opinion up to the mark, I will reach out to the person and ask him, okay, will you be interested in an internship? There's a role
right,
opening here.
right,
So that's very important that you are very truthful and faithful to the process, and
right,
then you
right,
go ahead.
right.
So
Right.
yeah,
Absolutely. I think you're talking about trusting the process in general. So, and I think it's true for any industry, wherever you're trying to make, a name for yourself and trying to figure out work. I really liked how you talked about the creative aspects of people. At the end of the day, it is also about protecting their rights. And, with the mindset that you are approaching things, it really, it appears all fancy on the outside, but then again, like you said, it is very important how we permeate those, combinations and permutations.